Money has no free will, it only responds to your energy. Money doesn't decide should it come to you, that promotion should come to you, that particular thing should happen to you, you should get that job, you can start that business. Will you fail in that business? Will your mother-in-law, father-in-law is going to give you the property? Whatever, all of that, right? So money has no free will. It will only respond to your energy. What is energy, Manisha? The energy that you produce when you are spending money. Is there a icky feeling? Tan, or is there like, oh my God, I'm so grateful that I have money to pay my bills? Correct? Two different energies. I'm so grateful to God that I have money to pay my rent. Or is it like, oh my God, 25,000 to goes in rent. 25,000 is going in my EMIs. 5,000 is going in this groceries. 5,000 is going to दूध वाला. 10,000 तो ये बाई ले जा रही है. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? So there are energies that we are producing, and money is just responding back to your energy. Be very careful. Which energy are you producing? Are you producing that abundant energy? Yes, Kanchan. Tell me. Unmute करिए. I think she's stuck. So money is just.
जो हमारे साथ रहते हैं। मैम आ रही है मेरी आवाज?
भी आ रही है कंचन. हाँ.
हाँ, जैसे घर में जो हमारे साथ रहते हैं, तो उनका ये है कि मतलब हर वक्त उनको यही काउंटिंग लगी रहती है। तो फिर उसमें
उसमें हमें क्या करना
कि
चाहिए?
मैं खर्च नहीं करूंगा। हाँ, वहां हमें क्या करना चाहिए? जैसे मेरा ये नेचर नहीं है, मैं इजीली मतलब फ्लो करती हूँ मनी, चाहे होता है चाहे नहीं भी होता है, तो मैं करती हूँ। बट मेरे हस्बैंड जो हैं, वो इस टाइप के मतलब बांध के रखना चाहते हैं और बहुत नेगेटिव इमोशंस डालते हैं वो प्रकृति में। तो वहां वहां क्या करना चाहिए?
वहां उनको वही, जो भी वो कर रहे हैं उनको करने देना चाहिए.
ओके।
We are not there to decide. You decide, na? It will be your money flow. I remember 5 years I was doing this work. 5 years I was into spirituality. 5 years I used to get up at 4 a.m., do my meditation, Amrit Veli. I used to go to my spiritual center to do meditation and every. My husband used to leave me at that gate entrance of that place, and he used to go. Okay, and for 5 years, I'm telling you, 5 years, I never told him, you also come inside. You should also do meditation. You should also eat sattvic food. You should also not eat onion garlic. You should also do all of these exercises that I'm doing every single day. Never. 5 years. After 5 years, I remember it was first Jan, and I told him, uh, it was I think 2019 in COVID time, either 2019 or 2020. I said, will you also come inside? And he came inside, and after that, he is more than who I am. He's more spiritual. He's more than me now. Now he will remind me, today you have not done your evening one. Today you have not done this morning one. He will remind me more. But has it taken patience? Yes. I would love you all to do. Aap karo the right thing. The person is observing you. We don't want somebody to give us gyan when the person has done 5 days. Are you able to? My father will start doing yoga ek mahine, and then he will start saying to all of us, yoga karna is such a good thing and benefits and everything. And I will say, I will see you after 6 weeks, 10 weeks. And are you getting me? So people are observing you. Never. तो लोग कंचन वो आपको देख रहे हैं, आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और बढ़ गई. आपको नहीं छोड़ना है आप जो कर रहे हो. एक दिन वो खुद ही क्यूरियस होंगे, यार कंचन का तो सब बड़ा बढ़िया चल रहा है, मैं तो यहाँ मेरा कुछ कुछ ठीक नहीं चल रहा है. फिर वो आपसे ही एडवाइस लेने आएंगे. गेटिंग मी? तो यू कीप डूइंग द राइट थिंग. पीपल आर ऑब्जर्विंग यू. हमें बोल के नहीं चेंज करना. योर एनर्जी विल चेंज देम. डोंट वरी. एंड इट टेक्स पेशेंस. It really takes patience. I told you, 5 years. Long time.
यस।
Just start. Okay. So money has no,
ओके ओके।
will only respond to your energy. You just smile when they say कि नहीं 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 नहीं, you to are like this and that, and you will say, yeah, you're right. Okay.
ओके ओके।
Why two, right? Great. Money giant. I hope all of you remember that more you can rehearse the scene where you are not a small dot, but you are more than that, right? It's just a part of your life. It's not a, like, money is not a different thing, I want to tell you. It's part of you. Today, in the world which we are living, we can't talk about money also. Hearing the word paisa also makes us, How many of you feel that little bit? If you feel that, that means there are blockages. Yeah, why money? Little bit, right? So it's fine. It's okay. It's good. That is what we are healing, right? So nothing to worry. If it's there, I promise you it will not be there at the end. It just had been 4 days, I guess. So just don't worry about it. New self-concepts. All of you take out your notebook. Now we keep saying to ourselves different lines. Like, I'm someone who's not that confident. I'm someone who really has to struggle from the very childhood. I'm someone for whom things doesn't come easily. I'm someone for whom there is a lot of struggle. I'm someone for whom. So all of this, I am someone for whom we keep using the whole day. Are you all understanding? Automatically. कि यार मेरे साथ तो ऐसा होता है, obviously. Now I would love you to consciously create your self-concept. So whatever will be your level of self-concept, that is what we are going to attract in life. So consciously now, I'll give you 5 minutes, create your self-concept. I'm someone for whom money comes easily. I'm someone who can grow money. I'm someone who knows how to invest money. I'm someone who is very mindful of money. I'm someone who always gives good energy to money. I'm someone for whom doing business is easy. I'm someone for whom doing the job that you are doing is easy. I'm someone for whom money loves completely. Are you getting me? You can create any self-concept that you would love to be. Okay, that you would love to be. You are not. Okay, I'm someone who is a trading god. If somebody who does trading. I'm someone who is stocks god. Even if you don't know anything, zero. It's fine. Create a new self-concept for yourself. A new self-concept. Rather than, because whatever we are repeating, we know that it's coming true. How many of you know that? Whatever we are repeating, it's coming true. We know that. So now let's consciously create the self-concept. Who do you want to become? As if you are writing your script. Okay? Can we do that? So one full page of I'm someone who, what? Okay? Let's do 5 minutes. I'm someone who, fill in the blanks. So create a full page of it. So I'll give you 5 minutes. Let's do it. All of you forgot yesterday's lesson. Where is the smile? Only I can see on Anuradha's face. Yeah, Gitanjali, Kajal, Kanchan. Where is the smile, Kanchan? Yes. See? Let me also look at beautiful faces. Only I will smile and all of you will be, why? This smile till the end of the class. This is the rehearsal for the whole day. Okay? If now you can smile the whole hour, if you can practice, I know you will do the whole day. Because मेरे जैसे अच्छे लोग नहीं मिलेंगे पूरे दिन. Who will smile? They will do different activities. Can you smile? Right? So practice 1 hour now. All right? So let's do it. I'll give you 5 minutes. Let's write our self-concept. As I told you, remember to light up your candle, sit in that, make it a spiritual experience every single day when you're doing this class. Great. So we all created a new self concept. Dr. Lalan, why late? I'm observing. The reason I have kept all of you so that I can see you. Okay. Why am I this person? So, why are you this person? Why are you a person for whom it's easy, and it's easy to grow money, it's easy to invest money, it's easy to save money, it's easy to earn money? Why are you that person? Because you worked on your money energy. Because now I'm very conscious of the energy that I'm putting up. Why? Because every single day I'm doing the money work. Why? Because I'm reading about investing every single day. Why? Because I really watch podcast on this. Any reason is fine, but I would love you to convince yourself. Why are you that person? Okay? One person you really need to convince in life is you. Only one. No other convincing you need to do. Once you do that, everything else is easy. So, why are you this new person for whom you have spoken? So simple, whatever you have written. I'm someone who is very confident. Why am I confident person? Because there was a time in my life when I was not. So I've learned from my past mistakes. Any answer is perfect. So whatever answer comes to you, I would love you to give a why. So जो भी आपने लिखा है लिस्ट में, अब हर एक पॉइंट को लें और उसको पूछें कि why am I this? And write it. Why am I this? And write it. Give yourself a reason for becoming that, because your subconscious believes that, but your conscious will reason. Conscious mind will एक reasoning चाहता है कि क्यों भाई तुम तो नहीं हो ये, क्यों झूठ बोल रहे हो? Right? So you will have to give a reasoning. So that is why I ask why every time. So there's a scientific reason why I'm asking why. So give your conscious mind also a reason. This is why. Got the exercise? Why are you that person? Let's do it. So I'll give you 3 minutes. Let's do it. All right. Great. All of you got some reason, convinced it is possible for you. It's not a fake line that you have written. Nahi yaar, this is the wrong. Money to comes to me with lot of struggle, right? I have to do 20 hours of duty and then it comes. Okay, let's rephrase the story. It's our own script. Let's rewrite our script. Okay, all right. Now we will do a very beautiful exercise. So I would love all of you to open up your bank account. Okay. Also in the starting, if you have not taken the screenshot, I would encourage each one of you to take the screenshot of your bank account, because you will forget how much it has increased. Okay, so I would love you all to take a screenshot, because it can come from anywhere. It can come from your parents, it can come in the form of gifts, it can come in the form of some FD breaking up, it can come in the form of somebody just gifting you, it can come in any form. Okay, so just be open, don't be very precise about, oh, I to have a job, so obviously money will only come from there. Oh, I to have this, I don't have any job, so money can only come from my husband. Oh, I to do this particular work, so money can come from anywhere. Has it ever happened money has just came from anywhere? Okay, your dadaji's something landlord, something got sold and something came to you. It happens, right? So it can come from anywhere. Just be open. Are you in the receiving mode? So be in that. So okay, all right. So just open up your bank account, all of you. You can open up your own phone or anywhere. Just open up your bank account. And we will do a quick exercise where you will imagine that your bank accounts have a huge hands, okay, just like we have. So your bank account also has hands. Not now, I will tell you when to do. So your bank account also has hands, and you are also extending the hand, and both of you are coming together, and you are just embracing the ideal bank account. You can see the number that is written right now, but you are embracing the ideal bank account. Getting it? The ideal number that you would love to see, the ideal amount that you would love to see. So my favorite way is, forget about the point, the dot that is written. Okay, so you have now, for example, it's written 10,70,000.70 ऐसा कुछ. So 0.70, forget about the point. Just look as if point is not there. Okay, and just count that extra number as if it's the part of that whole number. Getting my point, what I'm trying to say? Okay, and just look at that number and just give it a loving hug. That means imagine a beautiful heart between both of you, and you're just loving it and saying, thank you. You have always been there for me in my life. Imagine if somebody has been there for you throughout your life, and you are saying, you have never been in my life. You never came. You never come. You never visit. How will that person feel? Same is happening to money. Money has always shown in your life, yes or no? You are here sitting and joining up this session. I know that for sure. Money has came as food. Money has came as rent. Money has came as salaries. Money has always shown up in your life. But that person is listening, and that person is saying, इसने कभी नहीं आया, ये तो कभी कुछ नहीं करता है. How will that person feel? Money is feeling the same. Let's heal that relationship, right? All right. Got it, all of you, what you need to do? Got it? Let's hug our ideal bank balance. Give it loving thoughts, because what is the emotion that actually provide abundance? Who knows the answer? Love, right? Love. Love is the emotion that we need to master. Your every cell should start vibrating with the frequency of love till the end of the class. You should feel ki how not to love. Ye difficult hai yaar. How not to love somebody. Okay, that is where I would love you to reach. And it will not just help you to attract money, every single thing that you ever desire, because love is the frequency that really uplifts, right? All right. So let me put up the music and let's do it. Great, good job. So all of you loved your ideal bank balance. Give it some loving thought. Let's move ahead. Now I would love you to create a statement of increase. And this is again a very, very powerful exercise that really helps. So you will create an ideal statement for yourself. For example, let me share my screen. So for example, I've just written as an example, I've taken a small amount, 90 lakhs. You can take any amount that feels normal to you. So I now enjoy looking at any XYZ amount that you want to put in my bank account, and I feel so supported. Okay, any amount, and feeling that you will feel when you look at your bank account. For me, money is an energy of support, so I love looking at it as a support, right? It's always there, right? It's for me, that is the energy, that is my connection. It's there, na bas, theek hai na bas. I'm happy. So I would love you to see whatever is your emotion that you feel when you look at money, right? So any one emotion, and this is how the sentence will be made. This is known as statement of increase. So I now enjoy looking at dash any amount that you believe in. Okay, you believe in. So if you have, you can double the amount that is there in your head, but not more than that. Okay, that you feel is possible, just double it up, and don't create a number which you are scared of. You should feel enthusiastic looking at that number, not, oh my God, this is too out. The number should be, it's a normal number. Are you getting me what I'm trying to say? It should be a normal feeling for you looking at that number. Once you receive that number, go now. Create a larger number. Who has stopped you? Are you getting me? So the format will be same. Whatever you are learning, use it for your whole life. It's not going anywhere. Correct? So just, I now enjoy looking at in my bank account, and I feel so supported. Now, how to do this? So this is where we will do one full page or statement of increase. So I'll give you a full 7 minutes. You will write this line, and then you will close your eyes, look at your bank account again in your eyes, and then create. How do I feel looking at this amount? I feel deeply grateful. How do I feel? I feel deeply emotional. For everything, I am emotional. So my first dominant emotion is emotional. Okay, I love to cry. So whatever. So I'm sure you all are like me. So maybe the same emotion. Like I love to cry. Oh my God, this has happened. Wow. So I'll cry. So whatever, right? Whatever is your emotion, write that. Emotional. How do I feel? I feel like dancing. I feel like crying. I feel like thanking God. I feel like I'm such a divinely blessed child. I feel like I'm such a master manifester. I feel like God is there on my side. How do I feel? I feel confident. How do I feel? I feel secure. How do I feel? I feel supported. That means you are going, seeing there, whatever you are feeling, writing again. Are you getting me? So no need to write the whole sentence. You can just write the number, dash, how do you feel? Number, dash, how do you feel? And you need to complete one full page in 7 minutes. How much you can do, great. But this is a very powerful exercise. Okay, just like Money Giant, this is just an amazing exercise. All right, so let's do it. Ready to do?
The number will remain the same, right?
Number will remain the same. The same number will be decided in the start.
Yeah, and the emotions we can add on.
Yeah, emotions we will keep adding on. How do I feel? Sometimes I'm not able to create any emotion looking at my bank account. It's like, theek hai bas. So what do? I will see what am I doing with this? I'm gifting it to my parents, right? I'm helping my parents go on a trip, or I'm giving them that what they desired. I'm gifting my father, like I recently gifted both my parents that gold bracelet. So I was very excited about that. That was there in my vision one. Like I want to gift them that. So whatever. Are you getting me? Sometimes अपने लिए कुछ करने में उतनी खुशी नहीं होती है. मैं लगता है यार ठीक है, normal. It's like a normal thing. But doing it for your parents, for your children, it really excites us. So it depends on you. If doing something for your own self excites, amazing, great, right? If it doesn't, do something for others. Maybe that will excite you. okay? But create an exciting emotion. Now you are doing that. How are you feeling? They are so happy. How are you feeling? You are feeling like a proud daughter. Proud daughter, right? So, are you getting me what I'm trying to say? So, just imagine the various things that you're doing with that amount. How are you feeling? Tap into that feeling. Feelings is the most important thing. Ready to do? Let's do it. I'll give you 7 minutes, full 7 minutes, deep dive. If there's any confusion, ask in the chat. I'll be able to help you, but do this exercise properly. Okay? First, write that line. और जो भी आपको फील हो रहा है वो इमोशन लिखते जाए. अमाउंट एंड इमोशन, अमाउंट एंड इमोशन, अमाउंट एंड इमोशन, पूरी पेज कंप्लीट करें. ठीक है? ऑलराइट. Connect with yourself and write. Tap into your feelings and then write. Tap, then write. How are you feeling? Feeling more connected to the amount, right? So there should be a connection, there should be a relationship with that amount, not a random amount. The amount should mean something to you, okay? The amount should have a connection. Why do you want it? There should be a reason for it. Okay, great, beautiful. Now, let me make you understand the day 4 homework that you have to do. All of you remember to do your homework. So it's a lot of hard work I don't love to use. It's a lot of aligned work. Wow, Archana, you have joined on time. All of you give a good round of applause to Archana.
I slept so late, 12 o'clock here. So,
It's okay. All right. What's the time now? 4:30, 5 a.m.
yeah.
Let's do a 10-minute of powerful exercise together at least, right? All right. Okay. So you have to get this, all of this sheet printed out that I've sent all of you, right?
Yes, today I'll do everything.
This is the day 4. So the day, yes. All of you have the sheet? Show me. 1, 2, 3.
I will show you tomorrow everything.
Okay. Tomorrow everything I will see. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Get it. Get it. Because writing will actually help you. When you write it, there's a different mechanism that happens. So I would love all of you to count your blessings. How many blessings are you sitting with that you are taking for granted? That you are taking for granted. I remember there was, I was taking a one-to-one session and a client told me ki, my husband never says no to anything. If I'm asking, I'll put my hand on this diamond necklace, I'll get it. If I'll put my hand on this particular car, I'll get it. If I'll put my hand, whatever, I will get that, right? That is how he is. But actually, he has no time for me. So she was complaining about that he actually doesn't have any time for me. But so she just said me the whole story and every single thing, that he never says no to my children and everything. And then finally it came to like, so they have a lot of colleges in Rajasthan. A lot of colleges belongs to them. He wants me to go work everything, but the one thing that he's not having is the time. I just told her one line: can you accept that all of this I have got because my husband doesn't have time for me? It's okay. Can I accept that one fact that I'm getting? How can I? Okay, I need his time. I'll have to make a plan that, okay, can you give me weekly 15 minutes? Can you give me monthly 1 day? I'll have to work on it. But first of all, we forget to see what's there because we are so busy seeing what's not there. Okay. I remember there was one daughter-in-law and she was saying कि my mother-in-law कोई भी ओकेजन हो, कोई भी इवेंट हो, वो मेरे लिए सब कुछ खरीद के ला देंगे कि तुम्हें पहनना ही है. एंड आई गेट सो इरिटेटेड मनीषा कि वही साड़ी पहननी है, वही बिंदी पहननी है, वही ज्वेलरी पहननी है. कैन यू सी वेयर आर वी गेटिंग? वी फॉरगॉट द ब्लेसिंग. हुज मदर इन लॉ इज डूइंग दिस? कि लो भाई, योर ज्वेलरी, योर साड़ी, योर बिंदी, आई तो विल बी हैप्पी. So whatever we are not getting, actually the opposite we are wishing for. All of us. We are living in a plane of duality, all of us. So if we are getting money, we are wishing for the opposite, maybe the peace and happiness. If we are getting the peace and happiness, we are wishing for money. If we are getting a good, amazing relationship, amazing husband, we are wishing, oh, you go and work and do something. Okay? Don't keep loving me. I don't want your love. Are you getting me? Where are we? So whatever we are getting, we don't want that. We want the opposite. You go and do something else. So we are living in a plane of duality. Okay, so both. So don't worry about that. So I would love each one of you today, count your blessings. The one that has came to you for free especially. So we will do this for 2 minutes and then you will do it in your homework. 108 blessings. So before sleeping, 108. Okay. So before sleeping, I would love all of you to put a music. Do this is a very spiritual exercise, all of this. This is not an exercise to be done like a work. It should be done like an alignment, done like a puja. Okay, where I would love you to go with this. Though it's a money exercise, but I would love you to do it like an alignment, like a puja and like a connection with the divine abundance, where, oh my God, I'm part of that divine, I'm part of that abundance. Where am I thinking ki how will this happen, how will this happen? जिसके पिता अंबानी, उसको क्या सोचने की जरूरत है? आपके भी तो पिता अंबानी है. Why are you thinking? True? All right. So let's do that together. So it can be air, it can be love, it can be friends, it can be knowledge, it can be Google Maps, it can be technology, it can be Zoom, all of that that we are getting for free every single day. AI, ChatGPT, all of that, right? So let's do that. So we will do in this manner. Only one line we have to speak because I want to do a 4-5 rotation. Okay, only one line. I'm so grateful for this. I'm so grateful for this. So we'll do first for health. Ready? So I'll speak the name. You will say for the, so Kajal, Manisha, Gitanjali, Dr. Lalan, Anuradha, Kanchan. Let me write your name, Archana. Rename Archana. Okay. So yes. So let's do in this manner. Okay. So let's start. Kajal. I'll not say the name. You need to remember your. I want it to be like
Order.
All of you remember आपकी बारी कब है? काजल, मनीषा, गीतांजलि, Dr. Lalan, Anu, Kanchan, Archana. Let's do it, and then we will keep rotating. Health. We are doing it on health.
Okay. I'll start.
One line.
One line or one word. My good skin.
I'm so grateful for my good skin. Like that.
I'm so grateful for my good skin.
Yeah. I'm so grateful for my height. Gitanjali. Unmute. All of you unmute. And go in this manner. Quickly, I want to do 3, 4, 5 rounds like that. So
I'm so grateful for my physical fitness.
Great. Dr. Lalan.
I'm so grateful. I'm so handsome.
Love that. Anuradha.
I'm so grateful. I'm beautiful and heighted.
Great. Kanchan.
I'm so grateful. I reversed my diabetes.
Oh, wow. Archana.
I'm so grateful to have an inner peace within.
Wow. Love that. Okay. Again, go one more round of health. Kajal. Same.
I'm so grateful for my beautiful hair.
I'm speaking to myself. You. I'm so grateful for a good personality. Gitanjali.
I'm so grateful for my skin.
Dr. Lalan.
I am so grateful that I am taking care of my health. I do morning exercise and morning walk every day.
Great. Anuradha.
I'm so grateful for my inner peace.
Kanchan.
I'm so grateful for my healthy skin and beautiful.
Archana.
I'm so grateful for the wisdom God has given me.
Love that. Great. Now let's go to the wealth part. Kajal.
I'm so grateful for my MacBook.
Okay. I'm so grateful that money has always shown up in my life. Gitanjali.
I'm so grateful that today I'm there in this session with you.
That's amazing.
For the wealth.
I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful that I have lots of money in this world of abundance that I can help each and everyone. Yes.
We would love to know how much. Okay. Anuradha.
I'm also grateful that my work never like stuck. वो हो जाते हैं तो money flow होता रहता है.
Kanchan.
I'm so grateful because money always works for me.
Great. Archana.
I'm magnetic to money. I always attract on right time and right place. It always serves me.
Love that. Great. Now let's go to the relationship. Kajal.
I'm so grateful that I have such loving parents.
Amazing. Love that. I'm so grateful for amazing man, my husband, and amazing doctor, amazing parents, amazing sisters, amazing clients, amazing people, all of the amazing people in my life. Yeah, Gitanjali.
I'm so grateful for all the people, as you said, my family and my friends, everyone.
Dr. Lalan.
I'm so grateful that I have amazing wife, loving wife, and beautiful daughter and a
Great.
smart son. Yes,
Love to meet your family
yes,
one on one of the sessions. They know that you're doing this session. Your family knows.
yes, ma'am.
Great, we'll meet them. Anuradha.
अभी सुबह आके
I'm
उन्होंने
so
उठाया मुझे
grateful.
कि आपका सेशन है, लेट हो रहे हो.
Oh,
I'm
Anuradha.
so grateful that you are here for me and teaching us. Or I have a very good family, so I'm very grateful.
Amazing. Kanchan, relationship.
I am so grateful. I have a loving husband.
Amazing. Kanchana.
My every relationship are in harmony.
Wow, love that. Great. Let's go to happiness.
I'm so grateful that I have such good mental peace and my work gives me so much happiness.
Wow, great. Love that. I'm so grateful that every single day I do not miss a single day of my discipline of self love, exercises, and it really keeps me grounded and peaceful every single day. Gitanjali.
I'm so grateful to be a beautiful soul.
Love that.
Wow.
Dr. Lalan.
I am always happy, ma'am. In my MBBS duration, my friends told me that you are a happy puppet, and whenever we feel depressed, we come to your room to be happy.
Wow, that's such a beautiful quality as a doctor, I feel. It's so much needed. We need, actually, I had a conference, and this was a conference with the for the doctors, Seva Parmo Dharma. It was for the doctors. And the theme was don't just become the, and who am I to teach the doctors, obviously. So I was not teaching them to treat, but I was teaching let's become the doctor not just to the body, but to the soul.
Yes.
Every single person that's
Absolutely.
coming to you, let's become a doctor to the soul, right? So that's
So,
so beautiful. So I love what you said, Dr. Lalan. So yeah, Anuradha.
I'm grateful that I always be with happy और happiness सबको देने के लिए भी अच्छा लगता है जब कोई मेरी बातों से खुश होता है तो I always happy.
Great. Kanchan.
I'm so grateful because I spread happiness everywhere.
Absolutely. We are also so happy looking at you, all of you. Archana.
I would say God has blessed me as a healer.
Right. Love that. Great. Absolutely. So great. So you all have points. So think in various direction. I did this, so you get. So how many points we did this now? Like right now, I think 30 points. All of us, right? So 108 is easy. You can write down in health, in wealth, in relationship, in career, in happiness, in things. Okay, in nature. Okay, you can actually do gratitude on one thing. Gratitude for your house. उसके बारे में you can write 10-20 things. Gratitude for one person, you can write 10-20 things. So gratitude is one thing जिसमें आपके पास कभी भी less number नहीं होना चाहिए कि क्या लिखूं यार इसमें. ठीक है, you should always have a lot. कि बहुत है, right? So complete up 108 gratitude today. 108 before sleeping. Light up a beautiful candle, and then sit, like create a beautiful music, put that music and do this exercise. You will really feel, oh my god, I'm just not seeing so much I have. Really, I'm telling you, you'll feel really connected. Okay, so do the gratitude exercise and we'll meet tomorrow. Till then, have a beautiful day, and I'm super duper grateful to have each one of you here working super hard on your money energy. So sending deep love and appreciation to each one of you. Let's hold our hand and send love and appreciation to each one of you.
Love and appreciation to each of you.
Come, let's do soul hug. Time for soul hug, soul hug, soul hug.
Thank you, Manisha.
Welcome.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Bye
Archana.
bye.
Bye, Gitanjali. Bye, Anuradha. Bye, Kanchan. Bye, Dr. Lalan.
Thank you so
Bye,
much.
Bye
ma'am.
bye.
much
Bye,
love to
everyone.
you.
I love you more.
Love you.
I love you more.
Oh, you
Okay.
can't say that. All of us love you.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I have more now. I have all of us. Bye.